When you want to create a new drawing in AutoCAD, the process to go through is go to the File pull-down and select New. What you'll see is a dialog box that appears. First of all, you see the one on the left, which is grayed out. That's Open a File, and that's grayed out for a purpose because we're in the process of creating a new drawing. So we have three choices here. We can start from scratch, we could go to a template, or use the wizard. When we start from scratch, what we get is an option for English or metric, and a certain default size for our limits or working area. If we select template, we have a variety of templates. These are called DWT files that give us a variety of ANSI standards, ISO standards. And when we select these, we'll see a picture in the window, a preview of that format. So it gives us a border ready to go to place our drawing on. You can also create your own templates, and that's what the Browse button is for. If we go to Use Wizard, we have two options, the Advanced and the Quick Setup. The Quick Setup, simply, when we click OK, gives you an option to go through and select from a couple of items here. So the wizard really steps you through the process. And all we have here are units to choose from and area to choose from. When we select, we have those choices. And here's where we can choose the different limits aside from the 12 by 9 inches. I'm going to go back to the beginning and then click to show you that you have the options here to choose different styles or different units. I'm going to click Cancel here and then return to the wizard so we can see the advanced setup. When we go to File and select New again, you'll notice the dialog box appears again back in the position where we were last at the wizard. This time we'll choose Advanced Setup and click OK. Now here's where we have a variety of choices. You'll notice these on the left-hand side: Units, Angle, Angle Measure, Angle Direction, and Area. So let's step through these with the next button. First of all, let's select Architectural, and you'll notice the depiction of the units here on the right-hand side. And down below in the drop-down list box, we can select the precision. We're going to bring this back down to, say, 1/8. Click Next. And now we have the angle measurement. Which format are we using? Let's click Surveyor. And you'll see that we have the readout here. And we also have a precision box for that. Click Next. How is that angle going to be measured? Well, we're going to select our 0 not from east, but from north. So we'll select north. And we'll now see the compass change, so we have our measurement from 0 to 90 going in this direction. Our next topic, angle direction. Are we measuring clockwise or counterclockwise? We'll leave this one by the default counterclockwise. And last of all is area. What's the area that we have to work on? We can choose the width. Instead of 1 foot by 9 inches, we can change our drawing limits. If we click Finish, we'll have the drawing created for us, or the file ready to go. And if we look under Format Units, we'll see that we have, in fact, Architectural, Surveyor's Units, and the selection you see sample output down below. So remember, File, New, gives you the dialog box to create files in 3 different ways.